In today's fast-paced business world, securing your IT needs is crucial. TeckPath offers industry-leading managed IT services and cybersecurity solutions. For law, accounting, and consulting firms, TeckPath ensures seamless workflows and data protection, maintaining compliance with zero downtime. In healthcare, patient confidentiality is vital. TeckPath's cybersecurity solutions empower clinics and hospitals to deliver safe care, ensuring HIPAA compliance. Manufacturing thrives on efficiency. TeckPath streamlines IT infrastructure, protecting technology and offering rapid support to keep production uninterrupted. In construction, TeckPath manages on-site connectivity and secures mobile devices, minimizing downtime and keeping teams connected. The finance sector demands robust cybersecurity. TeckPath's data protection and secure networks ensure compliance with regulations like PCI-DSS. For retail, reliable IT is key. TeckPath provides 24/7 monitoring and cloud solutions, ensuring a secure and scalable business. Public entities need trusted IT partners. TeckPath manages sensitive data and supports secure access, maintaining operational continuity. Nonprofits need reliable technology. TeckPath services provide security and efficiency without the high costs of traditional IT support.